What's up, guys? Dr. Chancing here with Ground Over at PT. Welcome to your daily body armor with Tank. Today, we're going to be talking about your inability to get your toes in the bar, right? Or maybe it's your inability to do an L-sit or inability to do anything core that actually causes you to have to flex through that spine, contract the abs, pull those ribs down, right? Hollow out that spine, hollow out that back, right? And you might struggle with all those things. You might struggle with the ability to keep your low back down during a hollow hold or a dead bug, right? And guys, this impacts your ability to perform when you need to at the gym. Think JC sit-ups, think toe bar, think anything with brace of the middle line, think like the rope climbs, ton of middle line core work in those. And everything else we do, right? We do a ton of core work and everything about the core. So guys, what I'm having you do is you're going to sit down on the ground. Okay. You're going to put your hands down on the ground by the knees. You're going to press the hands down into the ground and you're going to lift the legs. Okay. So I don't want you leaning back, right? That's why we have our hands by our knees. You're going to press down hard. Keep the legs straight. Lift up the legs together so you're essentially doing like a seated pike. Okay? Guys, you'll feel your hamstrings, you'll feel your abs absolutely screaming here. Keep the knees straight. If you bend the knees, you're cheating. I know you're not a cheater. We don't cheat in CrossFit. If you cheat, call out your friend. Or if your friend cheats, go ahead and call them out because, you're cheating, right? And we don't cut reps and make things easier in the CrossFit gym or any gym or a life gym. So guys, hands on the ground, right about the knees, squeeze, contract, lift, get the abs working, work on this over time. See your toes to bar improve, see your L-sit improve, and see your back discomfort decrease. So Dr. Chancini, Ground Over at PT, see you tomorrow.